Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make gravy with drippings, whether it's turkey or chicken. This is really the best and tastiest way to make gravy, and it's easy. You've already made the bird, so why waste the drippings? When you buy a whole bird, usually there's the neck inside the cavity, as well as a bag with innards. Put the neck, gizzards, liver, and heart in a pot. Add 2 stalks of celery, and the leaves if you have it, some parsley leaves and stems. I only had the stems, that's why you don't see any leaves. A carrot cut up, and some yellow onion. I had some chopped onion already, but you can just cut a small onion into big chunks. Cover with water, about 5 to 6 cups. Bring to a boil and lower the heat. Simmer for 25 to 30 minutes. You can take the meat off the neck, mince it, and add it to the gravy later on. Sometimes I do and sometimes I don't. Take all the meat out of the pot. Again, chop up everything fine if you want to add it to the gravy. Otherwise, discard the parts. Strain the stock. Press gently to squeeze out any juices. You should get about 4.5 cups stock. This is so flavorful, you definitely cannot compare to what's in a can or a box at the store. I didn't add any salt because we're using the gravy drippings, which is salty. From my last video, you saw the whole turkey cooked on a sheet tray. I'm pouring all the juices from the pan into a measuring cup. Set aside for a few minutes, and the fat will be on top. If you have a gravy separator, use that. But shockingly, I don't have one. Scrape up all the drippings, set aside, and we'll add them at the end. I'm using a ladle to remove the fat on top and pour it into a bowl. That looks good, barely any fat left. Heat up a pot and add about 1/4 cup of the juices. Add 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour and whisk. Keep adding the juices little at a time and whisk until smooth. Cook for about a minute so the raw flavor of the flour is gone. Add stock little by little, whisking until smooth. About 1.5 cups in total. Simmer for a minute. The first option is to stop at this point, taste, and add salt and pepper. This is smooth, tasty turkey gravy, and will get a little thicker as it sits. The second option, for even more flavor, I like to add the drippings scraped off the pan. Whisk until smooth. Do not add salt before adding the drippings. Taste and add at the end because the drippings are already salty. If you want a smooth appearance, you can strain this or blend it, but it's really not necessary. You can also add the chopped up meat if you're using it. You notice the color difference in the gravy before the scraped up drippings and after. Gravy should be served hot, so warm it up right before serving. Turkey or chicken without gravy is a crime in my house. I know my daughter's always gonna ask for it, so I just make it every time, with or without drippings. My hairstylist told me that the host didn't make gravy for Thanksgiving one year, and everyone was missing it, especially because most people overcook the turkey and it's dry, so gravy saves it. Definitely make my juicy turkey in the last video and no one's gonna complain. Gravy is just something that people automatically ask for, so make it good. I wish all of you a very happy Thanksgiving and hope you enjoy a feast for one or many. I sincerely give thanks to all of you for watching and leaving positive comments. See you guys next time. Bye for now.